Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. It is a cold, wet, rained all night last night, windy day. I don't believe I'm going to be going anywhere. So we are making, and Thanksgiving has exploded at Mother's. Halloween's gone. Thanksgiving's up and running. We got 1910, but it's nice. I am making cabbage soup. I'll get the name of the place, the whole name, but these are my ingredients, and I'm going to start it, and it should be about an hour and it'll be ready to eat. But I'll get back to you in a few. Have a great day. Bye.